Time for Potentially Yours. Every Tuesday we try and give pets at Dane County Humane Society a new place to call home. And Gail is here with 3 rats, Dottie, Kit, and Marla.
I've been listening all morning and I appreciate you guys being willing to meet my 3 little friends. I know it is not the most desirable pet maybe that you think of, but I have actually grown to love them. So I have active little Marla with me right here. And so what you can see, she is black and white. She's more of what's called a Dumbo rat. You can see her little ears are more off to the side. Fancy rats, the ears are a little bit up higher. So her sisters, I mean, they're all the same. They're from the same litter, but I brought all 3. So I have Kit and Dottie are in there. And
did you name them, or did they come?
I did.
Were you watching A League of Their Own?
League of Their Own.
Movie ever.
I love that. So you can't totally see Kit and Dottie, but they are brown and white, so I can take one of them out. So what is the kind of the scariest for people are the tails, but the tails actually,
they don't feel bad.
They don't. When you feel them in person, they're not that bad, but what's neat about them is it really helps them regulate their temperature, and it also helps them with their balance. So the tails are so important. Look at her. See,
is there a certain way, Gail, to hold them?
They just need to be secure, but honestly, they're pretty resilient little things, and that's why they're so good for little kids, because they don't require a whole lot of care.
I actually had a rat for a weekend.
Really?
My daughter's school had a pet rat, and we had to agree for a weekend. Our parents had to take turns. So, yeah, it wasn't bad.
You know, they aren't as long of a commitment. They only live about 2.5 to 3 years.
Oh, okay.
And so it's a really great way. Oh, she thinks there's treats. She hasn't had her breakfast yet this morning. So they're a great way for kids to learn responsibility, kind of ownership of how to take care of a little pet.
Totally think
so is there, are they like, where do they deposit? I mean, where is it?
Well, actually, they go potty just like any other animal, but actually they have been learning to use their little litter box in the cage, which is awesome. And this is obviously way too small of a cage for these 3 girls, but if you have a bigger cage, my girls loved hammocks.
Yeah, because you had 2 before.
I did. Greta and Sophie, and they were so great. So when these rats came in, they needed a little time to get bigger. These girls are only about 2 or 3 months old, so they're really young. They're going to get a little bit bigger in size, but girls actually stay pretty small. So
how similar is it to having a hamster, though?
You know, it's about the same, except rats are honestly less nippy. They have more personality, and you can train them to do little tricks. It's really funny. Like, the rats are, you've got to give them a chance, and we have quite a few at the Humane Society right now. So,
do you recommend like adopting like in pairs?
I do.
Or,
they want to be together.
So
I hope these 3 can go together. If you want a great trio, this is a good one. But 2 for sure is a great way to have rats.
And do you need to take them out every day to play with them?
It's great. The more socialization they can have, the better.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So let's talk about. Do you want to go to last week's pet, or do you want to go to
last week's pet? Sure. Well, let's do the Haunted Trail. This is the last weekend for it. We had a great turnout this past weekend. So this upcoming Friday and Saturday, awesome trail again in the evenings on Friday and Saturday for the adults, but Saturday afternoon bring the kids out for a fun trick-or-treat event. So and all the money goes to help our wildlife center. And then the cat Blackjack got adopted that day.
Fabulous.
By a Channel 3 viewer named Robert. So thank you, Robert, for watching.
Such a pretty cat,
and for coming and getting that beauty. Oh, he was wonderful.
Oh yeah, good.
So from rats to cats.
And you have a lot,
we do. We have quite a few, so if you're looking for boys or girls, come on in, and these girls will be at the main shelter, and I have a special attachment from fostering them, so come and give them a good home. They're wonderful.
A League of Their Own right here.
Right here, in
Love
person.
these girls.
Thank you.
Thank you, ladies.
If you're interested in adopting or checking out other animals at Dane County Humane Society, go to giveshelter.org or set up an appointment at 838-0413.
And as we head to break, here are 3 animals available at Greene County Humane Society. There's more coming up on News 3 this morning. We're going to be right back.